In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two charts in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, being able to compare charts can give you valuable insights into the market and help inform your trading decisions. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open up the TradingView website. If you're not familiar, TradingView is an incredibly useful platform for chart analysis, offering a wide array of tools and visualizations to enhance your trading experience. Once the website is up and running, you'll need to log into your account. Remember, to get the most out of TradingView, it's essential to have your personalized settings and watch lists. So make sure you're logged in to access all your customized data. Now that you've logged in, it's time to open up your chart. Choose the chart that you want to use as your primary point of reference. You might be tracking a specific stock, cryptocurrency, or any other asset type supported by TradingView. With your chart open, direct your attention to the interface where you'll notice a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding comparison charts. Click this plus icon to initiate the process of comparing your primary chart with another symbol. When prompted, select the other asset or index that you want to view alongside your initial chart. TradingView makes it simple to find and add the symbol you're interested in comparing. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the second chart appear on your screen, aligned with your original chart's starting point. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to see how different assets have changed over time from the same starting position. It's an excellent way to analyze the relative performance between the two instruments over a given period, instead of just looking at their absolute price movements. Additionally, TradingView offers options to switch the comparison mode between price and percentage. Changing to price mode allows you to see the exact price differences at any given time, while the percentage mode shifts the focus to percentage changes, giving a clearer picture of the relative performance. This versatility can enhance your analysis by quantifying the extent to which one asset outperforms or underperforms another. By following these steps, you can not only compare two charts effectively, but also gain a deeper understanding of their performance in relation to each other. This can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal, helping you make more informed decisions based on empirical data. So go ahead, try it out, and see how it can assist you with your trading strategies. Thank you for watching and happy trading.